G'day cocktail lovers. This is another cocktail in a series that I read on the Punch Drink website where they were saying this could be the next modern classic. The classics are the old standbys from the 19th, early 20th century that we still have today. Modern classics is a term that's coined with a cocktail renaissance in the last 20 or so years where really innovative and tasty cocktails come out, and there's a few of those with real staying power. This might be, might not be, who knows? We'd have to wait 10 years to know if this is going on. It's called Lust for Life. There are a few references for Lust for Life where this could come from. What I always think of is the Iggy Pop song, which was about his heroin addiction, so not the cheeriest thing. Although, to be fair, I think it was about his recovery, not the depths of his addiction, so I don't want to be a total downer. Lust for Life is an embrace of the possible, I think. It's a milky looking drink. That's from orgeat. I used homemade orgeat, which tends to look like this. There are some store-bought versions that won't go like this at all, but this is what it looked like at the bar that made it, so I think they're making proper orgeat as well. It's mezcal based, and interestingly it has sherry in it too. It's got a whole tropical vibe going on with lemon juice and pineapple juice and orgeat, which are unusual accompaniments for mezcal. Even more unusual to me is some sherry. It calls for a drier sherry. They went with a really obscure one on the menu, and I was just like, I don't have that much sherry. I've got a dry sherry, Amontillado, and a sweet sherry, Pedro Jimenez. The Amontillado is a pretty good approximation of what was originally done, but let's have a taste of this. I've really taken to mezcal cocktails recently. Just that really pleasant smokiness, and the sweetness of the orgeat is making this taste like sweet barbecue sauce. It's really good. I'll show you how to make it. In a shaker, put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of mezcal, then 3/4 of an ounce, around 22.5 mils of dry sherry, then 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils of orgeat, half an ounce or 15 mils of lemon juice, and half an ounce or 15 mils of pineapple juice. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink. Then I'm straining that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice. I did use my sexy clear ice on this, even though this is not a clear drink, so you're not getting the full effect. But as I often say, another benefit of the clear ice is it melts more slowly than regular ice, keeps the drink colder for longer, and that's a win. So I'm going to go with that. And incidentally, the sexy clear ice, I've got the easiest way to do it. You should be seeing a link to a video right about now. You don't need special equipment or a lot of freezer space, and I just think clear ice is cool. I hope you do too, and I hope you look after yourself and look after people around you as well. Come back and see me for more cocktail recipes, but until I do see you again, I'll say cheers.